I. Let's find the value of y. If y raised to power y raised to power 3 equals 36, y is dash. Solution. Okay, given y raised to power y or raised to power 3 is equals to 36. Now recall that y raised to power m, then raised to power n is same as y raised to power n or raised to power m, which is same as y raised to power n times m, y n m. Okay, good. Now here our y is still y, m is y raised to power 3 and n equals 3. Y is still our y. So let's re-express this. We can now have y raised to power y or raised to power 3 can still be expressed as y raised to power 3 or raised to power y. Similarly, 36 is also 6 multiplied by 6, which is 6 raised to power 2. Now, cube both sides. Cube both sides. Take the cube of both sides. Take the cube of both sides. I will now have y raised to power 3 or raised to power y is equals to 6 raised to power 2. Then let's cube now. This is raised to power 3. This is raised to power 3. So I can now have y raised to power 3 or raised to power y raised to power 3 equals 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. When you remember what I have done here, okay? 2 raised to power 3. So can now have y raised to power 3 or raised to power y cube is equal to power 6. Good. Now, if you can compare here, you observe that y raised to power 3 is same as y raised to power 3, and the powers you can observe. So, by comparison, you notice that brackets y raised to power 3, we have 6 raised to power 6. So y raised to power 3 is equals to 6. Okay. Now to find y raised to 1 over 3 in both sides, or you take the cube root, that is cube root. So I will have y raised to power 3 or raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 6 or raised to power 1 over 3. Alright, so from that our a raised to power m multiplied by n equals a raised to power mn. So let's multiply together. You have here y raised to power 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, okay, is equal to 6 raised to power 1 over 3. Good. So this 3 can cancel. Therefore, y is equal to 6 raised to power 1 over 3. And this is same as cube root of 6 raised to power 1. Thus, y equals the cube root of 6, or just 6 raised to power 1 over 3. Okay, or just 6 raised to power 1 over 3. Let's check. We have y raised to power y or raised to power 3 equals 36. Okay, so but y equals 6 raised to power 1 over 3. But y equals 6 raised to power 1 over 3. So let's substitute. 6 raised to power 1 over 3 all raised to power 6 raised to power 1 over 3. Will it actually give us 36? So remember, we have all raised to power 3 here. So this is y, and this is 3 for this 3. Will it give us 36? Now look up. If you observe here, you notice that this 3 will cancel this 3, and we have 6 raised to power 1 over 3, all raised to power 6. Okay? So this 3 here will cancel this 3. So we have 6 raised to power 1 over 3, all raised to power 6. Will it give us 36? Okay? Alright. Now let's finish up here. So you have this 3 here again can cancel this. So this 6 can cancel this 3. You have 6 raised to power 2. Will it still give us 36? Yes. So 36 here is also 36. Okay? This is right hand side and this is left hand side. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 6 raised to power 1 over 3. Proved. Alright, quick recap. Y raised to power y cube is equal to 36. We are required to find y. Simple. When you observe this power rule, you notice that y raised to power y cube is same as y raised to power 3 or raised to power y. Okay, when you apply this rule here. And 36 is same as 6 raised to power 2. Then when you take the cube root of both sides, you will notice that this 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3, you have 6 raised to power 6. And y raised to power 3 or raised to power y raised to power 3. You will now have equates. You now have y raised to power 3 or raised to power y raised to power 3 equals 6 raised to power 6. Now comparison of both the powers and base. So compare both the powers and base. You will now notice that y is equals to 6 raised to power 1 over 3. Then take the cube root of both sides. So find y and then check. You will notice that y equals 6 raised to power 1 over 3. Alright, for more on exponential equation, Math Olympiad, circuit theory, check my previous lessons.